You searched how to buy shares of Troops Inc. Troops Inc. is shown here as a company focused on tactical communication hardware and rugged equipment. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TROO, and this content is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds to place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TROO to find Troops Inc. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm it is Troops Inc. Check market hours and recent trading activity to ensure you have the correct listing. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to allocate, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft note: the eToro link is available in the video description if you want to explore the platform.